Pig wakes up. Pig hungry. Pig sees donut. Donut equals 10 bacon bucks. Pig has 0 bacon bucks. Pig say, no problem. I have credit card. Pig swipe. Donut equals in belly. Money equals not paid. Pig happy. Pig say, free donut. No, pig. No, it's not. Next month, pig get bill. Bill say, you owe 10 bacon bucks plus 2 bacon bucks interest. Pig confused. Wait, who is this extra 2? That is interest. Interest is when pig borrow money, and money says, now you owe more money. Pig pay minimum. Bank say, thank you, pig. See you next month. Interest grows. Debt grows. Pig wallet cries. Pig say, I just buy donut. Just one donut. But after 6 months, that donut now cost 30 bacon bucks. That's not a donut. That's a trap nut. Pig panic. Pig borrow more to pay old donut. Now pig pays interest on interest. Pig becomes financial donut hamster. Run forever. Never escape. Big bank pig smile. Pig work. Pig pay. We earn. Pig suffer. All because pig want one donut. Now. Binder, but then, wise pig appear. Wise pig say, if you use credit card, use like tool, not toy. Pay full. Pay on time. Do not pay just minimum. Do not spend what pig doesn't have. Pig say, but I want donut now. Wise pigs say, then wait. Save. Earn bacon bucks first. Pig look at minimum payment box. Minimum due? 25 bacon cents. Pig say, easy. But under it, very small letters. If you only pay minimum, you'll pay off in 27 years. Pig scream, 27 years for one donut? Yes, pig. That's how credit card interest works. Credit card, not evil, but pig must be careful. If pig smart, pig build credit. Pig get perks. Pig win. If pig not smart, pig pay interest. Pig stay poor. Pig cry. So next time pig sees donut, ask, do I have bacon bucks? If yes, eat donut. If no, walk away slowly, because no donut is better than debt donut. Please subscribe before pig signs up for 10 more cards just for the points.